Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel UNBOX. In my earlier video, I am discussing the 5-year plan from first 5-year plan to fourth 5-year plan. Today I am discussing the 5-year plan from fifth 5-year plan to 8th 5-year plan. The duration of fifth 5-year plan was from 1974 to 1978. So mainly this plan was mainly focused on the Garibi Hatao. And then after the fifth 5-year plan, ruling plan was introduced, and these are introduced in 1978, and the duration of ruling plan was from 1978 to 1980. Then the sixth 5-year plan was introduced. Then sixth 5-year plan, duration of sixth 5-year plan was from 1980 to 1985, and this plan was under the introduced under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. And the main objectives of sixth 5-year plan was economic liberalization by eradicating poverty. Then the 7th 5-year plan was introduced, and the duration of 7th 5-year plan was from 1985 to 1990. And this plan was introduced under the leadership of Rajiv Gandhi. And the main objective was establishment of self-sufficient economy. Then after the 7th 5-year plan, the annual plan was introduced, and the annual plan was duration of annual plan was from 1990 to 1992. And the next plan is 8th 5-year plan. Duration of 8th 5-year plan was from 1992 to 1997, and this plan was introduced under the leadership of Narasimha Rao. And the main target was the development of human resources, education, employment, and public health. And during this plan, Narasimha Rao introduced a new economic policy, and this was introduced in 1992. So in my video, I am discussing only from fifth 5-year plan to 8th 5-year plan. In my next video, I will discuss the another 5-year plan. These are from 9th 5-year plan to 12th 5-year plan. So if you like my video, then please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.